Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and creating the project. Make sure SQL Server is running and you can connect with SSMS. Once done, open Visual Studio, create a C# console or WinForms project, and add the appropriate NuGet package. System, Data, SQL Client or Microsoft. Data, SQL Client. You need a connection string, get server name, authentication type, database name, and optional parameters like encrypt or trust server certificate. Now place a simple class or method to hold the connection code and prepare to write the connection logic. Next, you write the core code for connecting and querying. Create a SQL connection with your connection string and wrap it in a using block so it disposes automatically. Then create SQL command for a simple select or test query. Execute with execute reader or execute non-query depending on intent. Make sure to catch SQL exception and log error messages. Check connection state and open the connection explicitly. Once the query runs, read rows, map to objects, and close resources. This confirms end-to-end connectivity and data retrieval. Finally, you harden and finalize the integration. Replace inline values with parameters to prevent SQL injection, switch to async methods for responsiveness, and centralize the connection string in app settings or config. Deploy with care. Ensure SQL Server allows remote TCP/IP, SQL browser is running, and firewall rules permit the port. If you hit errors, check the exact SQL exception message, commonly wrong server name, disabled TCP/IP, or credential issues. One quick tip: enable detailed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.